The next thing I need to show you is how to download images from Flickr. If you look at some of the samples in the Elgin Park group, such as this James Dean Marilyn Monroe added to the diner scene, and click over here where it says download this photo, view all sizes, it'll show you lots of sizes, but it also says the owner has disabled downloads of their photos. So you can't actually use any of those, but that's okay because I don't want you to use an image that someone else has already added figures into. You can go to the photos of my models album. For example, if I open this one in a new tab and go to download, you'll see a variety of sizes. We can say view all sizes. This one you're allowed to download. And the largest size is 2048 by 1385 pixels. At 200 pixels per inch, that would be large enough for this project because that would be about 10 by 6.5 inches. That's fine. The original is just slightly larger. You might want the original, 2343 by 1585. And I'll click download. That will download, and then I'll have to go to my download folder to find that. Some of the others are much larger. Let me check this one. The original is 2933 by 1855. That's comparable. That would be nearly 300 pixels per inch at 6.5 by 10, roughly. This one, view all sizes. The original on this one is much larger. So the original is 4776 by 3087. That would be about 10 by 15 at 300 pixels per inch. It's much larger than you need. Extra large 3K at 3072 by 1960. That would be a good size. So you could click on that and download that one. Click on that there, and then up here select download the X large 3K size of this photo, and it's downloading. This one, original size again, is really large. If you wanted this one, select extra large 3K and then download the extra large 3K size of this photo. So that's how you get an image that is of sufficient resolution. Then make sure that you have it sized in Photoshop at 10 by 7, 10 by 6.5, whatever it works out to. I'd like them preferably to be 10 inches by 7.5 inches, because if we printed these out and hung them on the wall for a critique, 7.5 by 10 or 10 by 7.5 fits nicely on an 8.5 by 11 with margins. It's a good way to critique them, unless it's a web class, in which case the size isn't that critical, but I would like you to work at the size that is suitable for printing, 10 by 7.5, so it would fit on an 8.5 by 11. And for that, this is a good size to use, and they should be close to that size. And that's all there is to downloading.